Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make passive income trading every single day using one very, very basic strategy that I use. It's very quick. It's very easy to get set up. It's very easy to understand. You don't need to be an expert trader. And yeah, it's a brilliant strategy. And the probability in terms of the hit rate is exceptionally high. Before we get started in today's video, sign up to Weex. The link is in the video description. You'll get a 20% deposit bonus. So if you deposit $1,000, you'll get $200 for free. If you deposit $2,000, you'll get $400 for free. And it's a great exchange. It's the main exchange that I'm using. So yeah, let's get to today's video. Okay, so step one, the first thing that we're going to do is go along the top here to indicators. Okay, click on indicators, put in Lux, Algo. All right, and then it will come up Smart Money Concepts, SMC, Lux Algo. Okay, and then you're going to click on that. Now that's basically, now your screen is going to look something like this. Now what you're going to do, just double click that. Okay, what I typically want to do is I don't want to have it in blue. I want to have that green. Okay, that's for support. Resistance, I want to be in red. We'll put that to like 30%. And then we're going to do this one green, and then we want to scroll down slightly. We want to click yes for fair value gaps, and we want to click yes for premium and discount zones, and then you're going to click OK. Now your chart is going to look like this. What that's added in is that's added in when we have a break of structure. When we have a break of structure here, it's added in fair value gaps. We've obviously got support levels, resistance levels. We've got like a weak high here, strong low. This will obviously always change depending on time frames, depending on how the market is going. And ultimately, the first thing you want to do is basically put in Lux Algo, Smart Money Concepts, make this green, make that red, add fair value gaps, and premium discount zones. And now your chart will look exactly how my chart is looking now. Okay, so now we've got the chart set up. I've just zoomed back, like I've done a replay, so we're on like the 4th of January, yeah? Now, these boxes, just for example, we're going to do a long position, yeah? So this green box here, sometimes if it has a big green candle, the box will come straight away. Other times it might take like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hours, and then we have that big candle there, and then that box is basically created, okay? So what you'll typically do is when that box is created, okay, whether it's going up or down or whatever, if it's red, obviously you're going to be shorting. If it's green, you're going to be longing. Then what we typically do is we're going to put a stop loss just below the box, okay? Or let's say we put a stop loss around here, like 90, what's that? 98,916, yeah? Okay, and then this is kind of good for scalping, and it works on 5-minute time frame, 1 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, whatever time frame you want to do it on. But I'm just using the hourly as an example. Now, if we click play, okay, and sorry, you would have actually, before we click play, you would have basically started the position here at 9,300. Okay, so $400 stop loss. Yeah, you would have basically opened the position around 9,300. So as soon as that box, that green box appears, then you basically open your position. So the entry would have been around here roughly, okay? All right, and then let's let this play out. And then your stop loss, your entry's there. And as you can see, it's going up. Now, this is good for scalping because the trade can also reverse. So what you can do is wait until you're in profit, move your stop loss to break even. And it's as soon as a box appears. So whether it's a green box, you're going to long it. You're going to open a long position. If it's a red box, you're going to basically open a short position. And then you move the stop loss to break even. And then you're completely risk-free. So now, as you can see here, so we open a position here, and we've done a 3.1% gain, okay? So we open a position at 90,300, and we would have rode it all the way up to, you could have closed it here, wherever. You could have closed it anywhere, right? We did have another box that was created here, so you could have even stayed into the position. If it started reversing, your stop loss would have been at break even anyway. So I'm going to give you another example in a second, but this is just one example. And just to kind of break it down in very, very simple terms, when a green box appears, okay, and it will usually appear with like kind of a breakout candle, you're going to open the position straight away on that breakout. You're going to wait until it's in okay profit, then you're going to move your stop loss to break even. You're going to let the trade run. You can start DCAing out profits, or you can completely close the trade in profit. Okay, if a red box appears, you're going to do basically the opposite. As soon as it appears, you put the stop loss just below the box, and then you'll basically ride that trade out. Okay, so now to give you another example is if we go up here, we could have, so that box was created, okay? You can open basically a short position here with your stop loss basically around there. Should have your stop loss there. You open a short position roughly when the box was created around here, because that's like the start of the new candle there. All right, and then you've come down. You would have basically rode the trade from 123,905, and then it went down to 120,500, which is a very big move for Bitcoin. You could have closed it out obviously for like a 1-for-1. It went back up, went your entry, and then it continued to fall back. Came back here, and then boom, we've had another red box open. Okay, she could have then shorted that with the stop loss up here. As you can see, it hasn't passed that. We've came down, we've gone back up, and then we've had another box. You could have either stayed in one big position, or you could have opened 3 trades potentially here. So again, as soon as we see that box created, which is usually on the second candle, second or third candle, sometimes the first candle, a lot of the time the first candle as well, if it's like a big move down, then you'll put the stop loss just above the box, and then you'll ride the trade down. Okay, and again, this works on any time frame. Now, as you can see, this would have been a nice trade here. You would have opened around there, 120,000, yeah, 120,500, and it went down to like 111,000, which is a massive, massive move for Bitcoin. And as you can see, then we've came down. We've had this box here created, the green box. You would have then opened the trade on probably the second candle around there. All right, and then you would have rode the trade up to from 112,000 to 115,000. Obviously, you don't just want to wait for it. You want to have the stop loss here. Once that starts going up on the third candle in, you want to then move your stop loss to break even, and you just want to ride it up, and you can scale out profits. Or once you've done like a 1-for-1 or 1-for-2 or maybe even 1-for-3, you can kind of monitor that as you go. You'll then basically close out the trade, and you're going to be in profit more times than you're going to be in a loss. Most of the time, this plays out the majority of the time. Occasionally we can have a fake out and then it reverses. Very, very rarely. If you go back and basically put this in replay on TradingView, put the Lux Algo Smart Money Concepts in, and basically you can go back through all of the charts. You click on replay, you'll see how many times this works out. It's like 90% of the time this works out. The only time I probably wouldn't open a trade on this is if we have like a green box here and then a red box there, like very, very close, because then it could go either way, or it could just move sideways, and then it's 50-50. So I'd only do it if it's kind of here we've got red, and then we've taken that big leg down. All right, and then the green one, obviously here we've made a massive move up. So this is a really, really good, very, very basic strategy that anyone can learn. And obviously just watch this video back, look at kind of where I put the stop loss, look at roughly like risk to reward, and yeah, it plays out a lot of the time, and you don't need to be an expert trader to understand this. So guys, that is everything for today's video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, you drop a comment below, you like the video, and any other videos, any other education or anything you want me to do, definitely put it in the comments. Make sure you sign up to Weex. The link is in the video description. You'll get a 20% deposit bonus when you sign up. It's basically free money to trade with. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.